Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akila binti Masri. I'm from SCB3. First of all, I want to thank to my supervisor, which is Dr. Nofadilah binti Ibrahim, for guiding me until I complete my proposal. Today, I want to present my proposal. I hope my examiners, which are Dr. Alina and Dr. Hidayani, will enjoy my presentation. The title for my proposal is Structural and Mechanical Studies of Glass as a Function of Temperature. We go to the background of the study. As we know, the glass is the most fragile material that we use today, and this high fragility is often attributed to the catastrophic mechanical failure it can exhibit. However, glass is renewable, and it also can recycle and give a great effect or great benefit to environment, such as helping to mitigate climate change and protecting valuable natural resources. In addition, the most used industrial glass is sodium laminate glass. It is because it's cheap and it can recycle. Go to the problem statement for this study. As I said before, the glass is a fragile material. That's why the industry will come up with the mechanical strength technique, which is ion exchange to reduce fragility of glass. Next, annealing process also intend to prevent or eliminate any pressure that may be persistent and injuries after the glass is in use. From the annealing process, it will make long-term stability of physical properties of glass even at relatively elevated temperature. There are three objectives that need to achieve in this study. First, to analyze effect of different glass thickness towards structure and mechanical studies of glass as a function of temperature. Second, to study the effect of annealing temperature of soda lime silicate glass. And last but not least, to identify the uses of different type of potassium for ion exchange in enhancement of structural and mechanical of glass. Next, we go to the scope of the study. First, I will analyze the different thickness of glass that affect the properties of glass. Then, I will determine the effect of different annealing temperature that use towards the structural and mechanical soda lime silicate glass. And last but not least, the uses of different type of potassium in ion exchange will influence the enhancement in structural and mechanical strength of glass. We go to significance of study. The different thickness of glass and different type of potassium in ion exchange is to be observed in this study. Which glass has the superior performance after being annealed? It is because to avoid us from choosing glass that has low properties based on its application. The production of glass with high quality and best properties also be improved. It is important to ensure or to guarantee the high strength of glass so that it can withstand this higher external and internal force that might happen during its lifespan. For the literature review, I already refer some journal in order to complete my proposal. There are few steps in the flowchart that must be followed in order to complete the project. This is the Gantt chart and it ensures the project will run smoothly. This is the milestone for this project. In May 2020, we already done complete the research proposal. After this, we need to submit chapter 1, 2 and 3 in June 2020. In October, we need to complete the sample preparation. In November, we need to complete the sample characterization, and in November also we need to complete the experiment. In December, we need to complete the report and documentation, and last, we need to submit the full report for FYP in December 2020. This is the expected result that we can get from this study. There are few references that I get in order to complete my proposal. That's all from me. Thank you.